Welcome back to Wolf Weather. It's Monday, November 20th. I'm Tom, and I'll be guiding you through the graphics tonight. We're going to look at a few temperatures and what's going on around the country. Very little weather, which is a good thing after what we had over the weekend. But this week is looking pretty good pretty much everywhere in the U.S., which is great. Let's look at our surface map, and you can see that that front is pushed on down into Florida, down near South Florida, and you can see that high pressure area. That's going to be moving on over further east, over Georgia and South Carolina. And there's also some weather that's coming into that's Washington State near Seattle. They're getting another round up there, and there is some lake effect snows that you can see the blue up there. And here's tomorrow's. And you can see that high is centered, pretty much over East Tennessee, and that's going to bring nice clear skies and a little bit warmer temperatures. But this whole week is going to be pretty cool in the eastern part of the U.S., and we'll be looking at that in just a few minutes. And you can see that low that's up near Seattle. Like I said, they're going to be getting more rain. And here is some of the highs for Monday. Tampa's going to get 76. Jacksonville will be 69. 53 here in Newport, Tennessee. 55 at Mars Hill, and looks like 58 in Arizona, Snowflake, and 67 in Houston, 52 up in Seattle because of that rain. It brings in some of the warmth, and 49 over in Dover, Delaware, and Little Falls, that's up in Minnesota near St. Cloud, 48. And here are some of our lows. 47 for Seattle, 29 in Arizona and Snowflake, 21 in Little Falls in Minnesota. It's going to be around 35 here in Newport and 32 in Mars Hill. They're going to be around 58 in Jacksonville, 64 in Tampa, and 52 in Texas and Houston. So not as cold tomorrow night as tonight. It was very cold tonight. And here is the freeze outlook. And if you saw our last one yesterday, it covered much more of the country and a lot further south. So those freezing temperatures are going to be a little bit less than what we're having here on Monday morning. Now this is Tuesdays, and this is from the Storm Prediction Center, and you can see there's an area I put in red near the Texas coast. They could be getting some rain and maybe thunderstorms, and pretty much anywhere from southern Georgia down to the Keys could see some thunderstorms on Tuesday. Now here is that temperature departure, and you can see that the eastern part of the U.S. is going to be cooler, and it's going to be a warming trend over in the western part of the U.S. So this is pretty much going to hold true through the week. Now this is our satellite of the Caribbean, and that area is still down there. And no, this is not the same one from last night. It's just that area has just not been moving very much. It looks a little better than it did, but still a lot of rain over Puerto Rico and Dominican Republic, Haiti, and that area. So no development, but definitely they're getting clouds and rain. This is a picture from today at 4 o'clock. This is from Look Mountain. Look Mountain is right near me, probably 20, 30 minutes away. And you can see it's very beautiful out today here in East Tennessee. Next up, if you want your city forecast on our map, just put it in the comments, put the city name in the comments, and we'll start doing some forecasts for your city. So go ahead and do that. We got plenty of room right now. Well, thank you for tuning in. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe. We appreciate that. And it looks like we're going to have a pretty nice week here going into Thanksgiving. So we will keep an eye on everything and give you a little better forecast of what's going to be going on Thanksgiving. Have a great day.